and I say, boy, the car service and the have to do. And the car around there wash. So me grow at the back part now with the car wash because all of my head, you know, I come and go in my car and drive out the parking lot, let them have to run.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost before watching the video. I will on the attack. And remember for subscribe so you don't miss out, is it? And give the video a thumbs up. So I want car dealer boy and Wally British, you know, they got you a one phase, but she make the people them know what go on. So she want all car dealers in a sense, as he pray.
Do I go on for the servicing for $176 is oil change. Me say oil change. Nobody never asked me, say me never do an oil change. About a month ago me do an oil change. Me never need an oil change. So if you would tell me say servicing mean oil change, me would tell you say I don't need no service. Because me do an oil change maybe a month ago. So me do an oil change a month ago. Somewhere for $100 me know if you compare $176 for your oil change. I never know say that is what servicing convince of. I never know that is what services servicing vehicle consists of. Oil change, when me just do an oil change, so you want to tell me say you never looking at the top of the rear view mirror, you never looking at the top of the windscreen and see the something was the last oil change August 28th. You never see the something say next oil change due 44,000 miles and only 37,000 miles per my car. You never look and see that before me throw out my good oil way in my car and throw in more oil in my car and I go tell me now so $176 for the 5-quart oil. I said, no, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to call the news. I said, I'm going to wind up to call the news. I said, I'm going to just call the news because this is taking advantage and stuff like that. And I'm not going to do this. I said, I'm not going to do this. So when me analyze now I'm grown, I back now because me simply can't get the car for drive off my parking lot. Because when me did just buy the vehicle about 4 days time I drive go somewhere, me drive off my road. Because something me have to pull over on the road and when me drive the whole me see the tire go down till the tire they pass zero. So there and then the tire punch off from way down a Daytona and me drive come to Orlando. My drive come to Orlando 50 miles with the car. And when me pull up at the place and tell them say me just buy the car 3 days now and the car tire punch and my car tire not supposed to punch because that means say the car tire never good. So when me pull over there now and tell them say no more one tire, they might tell me say $200. I said I never buy tire for them the money they from the day I was bad because when something to my car, me pull up at the place and then patch and I give me a $40 tire and I use tire and me go I'm not buying a tire for $100 and $200, not under my dead body. Now, I don't care if it's a Porsche or a Lamborghini or what. I'm not buying a tire for $100. I am not. I refuse. If you buy a tire for $100, I buy a tire for $40 and then carry where them I go. Carry where me I go. Me not buying no tire for $200. So them no change the tire. Oh, they have tire and a $200 put on tire. So me ball, me this, me that, me ball, me this, and whatever the case may be. So there and then me ball, poverty till the people must say, but where she do a Benz? She don't realize that she there the wrong place, but she don't go on now one Corolla. Because every time she come here, she's supposed to pay a bill. It's problem. It's problem because you're trying to rob me every time. They're trying to rob me all the time. So there and then, me not time so my ball and something until the man said to me say, when you can't come back for the tire, when me can't come back, anyway I think them put on one tire for my car. And me supposed to go there for something else. Some type of paperwork when me did forget for the car because the car just buy. And me tell them say the day when me come for the paperwork, I am going to pay for the tire. Me do my guy, the car man. I'm watch the man when me tell somebody I go pay for the tire. Me do a hide him, run the car, hide him. I'm going to the office and take up my paperwork and all ass run down there. I don't look at them with the tire body. Me take my vehicle, all ass. See me tell you? I mean, I give them $1. So when they come now and tell me about servicing, and the $176 receipt, I look around the parking lot to see which way me can get for jumping on my car and all ass. You understand? Because me no $100 coming. Man, them a whisper like them and say, what the hell this guy that go over Toyota and top terrorize? Because you want a big Benz and I want to pay for Benz. Anytime they want service or trading, they ass, you hear me? So the boss man come and say the boss man and say, boy, the car service and the have to do. And the car around there wash. So me grow at the back part now with the car wash because all of my head, you know, I come and go in my car and drive out the parking lot, but them have to run me down, you know. Because the car does service say speed, come up. I'm a girl, but what the camera gonna do to me? What me do more than me say me can't me drive a more than a car and walk? What the box fucking is it? What camera have to do it there? Me the thief no car off of the parking lot. I didn't thief no car off of the parking lot. So me grow up back now I see too. Cause some Jamaican man they around their work. Some Jamaican not for learn for curve on the language. Only that never no care I wanna not talk the extreme bad patois. Me never talk about good Jamaican English. Because you know if you speak, but you can't speak good Jamaican English because of English our language. Me say there are some Jamaican around about their work, my God Almighty. When me grow they go complain because I walk and complain to every work up at the dealership. Every customer when I parking lot I look one car for buy. How these people are treating me unfairly because I never come here come hard and on service and then take my car go service and then now they wanna tell me about the $100. And when I look at the bill for what they do, I don't see what they do more than an oil change. And my vehicle never need an oil change. You tell me now. When me grow there, I try to tell the Jamaican boy if he give me my car, I ask me to clear the bill up on top. I say so no. I say so no, that's why I can't like you know. Me a Jamaican now, you give me my damn blasted car key, you mean me clear bill up on top. Me a hear that bill argument number one year wash my car, me tell you wash it. Did I tell us to wash my car around here and my car and wash and I spray all kind of chemical? I say, you know, I'm going to call the news because this overall, everything is going wrong here. Everything is going, I walk and complain to all customers and the parking lot. I said these Jamaicans round here, they don't stick with one another. Because I come round here for my car and the car belong to me. And you gonna hawks with me, pay bill up at top. Pay which bill up at top? Pay what bill up at top? And it come here, come hard, the oil change. I said, give me damn blasted car and I wash out and wipe out and spray up the way I spray for me see. I go spray bleach and way I spray for me see to bleach up the whole of my pants there. Before I go over and sue the whole organization and sue the whole fraternity. All of that now me here, so me still have to go to the office to pay the bill. You can imagine now me have $200 bill in my pay, in my purse and decide say me now want my $200 bill them. I mean I don't know what type of money. Me just go in there go swipe on credit card. I don't even know if it work. Me just go in there go swipe on credit card for kind of get the feeling like okay, I actually didn't pay $176 today. I said to the owner for the place, I said, but this is highway robbery. I said, if when I came to the parking lot, there was a car that I want wanted, I wouldn't be paying for servicing. So I think someone does a service the car because when I say, alright, the tool could they won't have the car and drive. Me no want the car boom up by you. Which me don't know my car supposed to boom up because nothing wrong with my gas pump. So it was the hardest 100 and something because you see Jamaican boy we run about there, see anyway me see him. You see anyway me go so bumps and buck but the Jamaican yard boy anyway me see my road anyway. Me say man me tell him I make my goons them deal with the Ricky man. Me tell him say give me my car key. You see me thief tire my girl? You see me thief not tire my girl? I'll change. And I'm gonna make me know say, it's much more than an oil change. We check the filter. We turn up your AC for you. And I say, don't do a goddamn thing more than an oil change. You can't imagine me just do an oil change August 20th. I forgot here now about oil change. Oil change. Me say I'm a great man, but I go back there go buy the car. You know, I make them buy a vehicle all the way in Atlanta and it's a ship down to come Tuesday. When it come Tuesday, I say, sir, I don't want it. I said, I do not want it. And if I'm going to get it, you're going to have to take off the $176 off of it. That is what you're going to do. Are you guys out here treating me like my vote for Donald Trump? The next thing that I'm gonna do, anytime you're here, they call me because two bills the boy a bank for my money in the car. The boy so much money you have to put down as a deposit. I say I got a lot of cash. Cash is not the problem. I said first thing you know you don't worry about cash. Cash is not my problem. You're crying about the 187.6. I said don't worry about that. That is chump change. I worry about chump change more than I worry about. I said the vehicle that I said that I want. How soon can I get it to the parking lot? How soon can I get it to the parking lot? It's about Monday or Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday they call me and says, ma'am, we bought the vehicle and I'm going to there, I'm going to say I don't want it. I'm going to say find me something that fits my criteria. So I'm going to make it pop away over Atlanta when buy vehicle. I'm buy vehicle for 20,000. I'm come down I want to say for 40,000. Me and them out there. Because they're getting this thing twisted. I said, sir, you know you don't know who you're speaking to. I said, sir, you know you don't have any idea who you're speaking to right now. Because if you have any idea who you're speaking to, you deal with me better at this business place. I need to probably consider go over to Honda and consider because I don't want to pay the service fee. I said, sorry, you disrespected me mentally. You don't know the type of cash I have. How many type of cash I have to put. I said I have a lot of cash. I said, don't worry, I have a lot of cash. I have over $1,500 to put down. That's a lot of cash. Profit, I need to see you immediately. I said I have a lot of cash. You said $1,500 is like a lot of cash. I said them other people in the parking lot is looking for a vehicle. They have $1,500. You're supposed to be treating me as high class quality because I have $1,500 to give you today. Me and you know you don't make a goddamn dime all morning. You don't have a lot. I said, don't worry about the $1,500. You by Tuesday, I may be able to come for another $500, $2,000 as soon as you open your door. And I'm gonna call the news. I'm gonna wind up calling the news because this is I have over $1,500. I have a lot of cash. I'm bringing in a whole Lot of tell your dogs do not broke for man. Tuesday morning, you call me, you find the transportation that I need. I don't care whatever in the parking lot. I'm telling you what I need in the parking lot. I'm gonna need for you to search the whole entire America and find me a coupe that I'm looking for. Or the white AMG wanna have down there. The one I sell for machine. Take off $3,000 fight and give me it. That's what oh, then which dog bed them and call me? I bet the sound gone down now. The sound gone down. When last you see $1,500. When it's not a lot of down payment to be going down. And whatever your interest are walking out of here. I said when last you guys see $1,500. When last you guys see $1,500, you gonna walk and search out the whole entire United States and find me a goddamn coupe. Did I ship what? Anybody ask me ship anything, I'm waiting till close to 5 o'clock. Me can't run go post office morning and run go back evening. Cause I know me the back of time, I don't print it, I mean I nothing for package mail them from home. So I am doing it with the word name organically or whatever which way you call it. Find a word and put there. I don't go to post office till 4:45 evening time because I have to stay all day and save. I can't make one sale. Because I know say people out of Benz are up me already. Exactly. I don't run go to post office 2 and 3 times a day because I might get a sale 3 o'clock. And when I go, I ensure that you guys get same day order, same day delivery, same day posted. What business place, offer that type of business? Besides this business play, I can't run the post office because I never say I can't sell 1, 2 eyelash. I want something before you already come. I can't do like what I'm allowed. That is my